Hello FunXcies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful home decor with another plastic waste bottle. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to cut the bottle from the half, and then as you can see, you can create this circle. Then you have to take the card paper and cardboard and some foam sheet, and you can make this stand over here so that your circle gets a nice shape. Then you can take the translucent sheet, and over here as you can see, I'm using a very strong glue, so you can do that too, and then cut it out. After that, I've taken some twigs over here. You can easily collect this from your garden or your plants. It's very easily available. Then you just have to stick it with hot glue gun and start painting it. So over here I'm using acrylic paint for that perfect shine, and also some pink paper to make these flower petals, and then one by one I'm gonna stick it with my hot glue gun. Now I'm using my Posca markers and making some white dots onto the translucent sheet from both front and back, and I'm attaching this plant over here using my hot glue gun. Now as you can see, I've taken this white card paper and my color pens, and I'm gonna make this flower. Then I'm cutting it from one side and hot gluing it on top of the other. Then I'm using my paintbrush and giving it a shape, and then I'll use a golden bead in the middle. Now as you can see, I'm cutting this out. This is a very easy and basic leaf, and then I'll just use my color pens to give another highlighted effect. Once that is done, I'm taking another white card paper and drawing a beautiful heart over here, as you can see, with my acrylic paints, and then I'll just cut it out so I get these two cute cutouts. After that, I'm using my yellow color pen and I'm making wings for the bird. So as you can see, I've chosen yellow color for the wings. So according to that, I'll also use it as a cutout for my bird. And then over here, as you can see, I've taken some super clay, and it is very soft, as you can see by the touch. And I'm gonna make a beautiful bird body. Now I'm gonna attach these card paper cutouts into the super clay before it gets dried. After it's dried and proper, you can start painting it and highlighting the bird body. As you can see, after that, I'm taking my craft wire and attaching it to the bird. Then you can see I'm attaching all those cutouts which I made. You can also use printouts if you don't want to draw. Once your interior part is completed, now I'll put my strong glue again and cover it with another translucent sheet. So this is now finally completed. Now let's make the base for it. So over here I've taken this kind of a round card paper and some card paper strips to cover it around. So I get this beautiful stage kind of thing. And then I'm using another piece of card paper to cover it on top. So this is what I get. Now I'll take my silicone mold and I'll start putting hot glue gun in one of the mold. Once it gets dried, as you can see, it is a beautiful royal design. And now I'll just stick it on top of the card paper. And I'll also use some golden beads for the stand, as you can see. Now after painting this black, isn't it so gorgeous? Now you can just use some golden metallic dust and just dab it on top of the design so that it gives you a 3D emboss effect. Then you can of course attach both of them together, and this is what it looks like, guys. I loved it. Isn't it beautiful? If yes, then please make sure to comment down below so that I know how you feel about this video. Till next time, bye bye guys.